So I am prepping right now for the surprise fizz color. So for this, you're gonna need some baking soda, a water with a syringe if you want the kids to have a syringe, but you can also use like a squirt bottle. That would work too. So I'm gonna have Henry try this out, and you can use tempera paint, which I was going to try to use. Tempera cakes. That's what these are. Tempera cakes, but they're a little too hard for me to get out or shave them, so we're going to be using food coloring. You only need 1 to 2 drops of these, no more than that, and this is how I'm going to prep them. So you want to add and I'm using a muffin tin to this is what I'm using, but you can use cups, little clear cups. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of that baking soda in the bottom, and I am going to add 1, 2, and then I'm gonna add baking soda on top so it covers it up. And so I am going to be using blue. I have red, yellow, and green. And so I'll see you outside with the kids. So I just finished doing that tray. I wanted to really quick before I go outside and show it to Henry that my goal is for him to have fun. So I mean, this is going to be fun, but the reason I chose the colors, the food coloring, is so we can just point out colors, because we're still working on colors. So there's gonna be red, blue, yellow, and green. So it's gonna be really cool to see his face. He's never done this one before, so it's gonna be pretty fun. I think it's also considered like a fine motor skills activity, because I'm gonna have him try using the syringe. He's never used that before either, but I'm excited to see how he does with this activity. So we'll see. Hi, so we're out here with Henry. Henry, say hi.
Hi.
And so like I told you in the previous segment that I'm gonna teach him how to use the syringe before we start adding the water in there. So Henry, say water. 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 So look, you're gonna pull up like this, and look, it squirts water. Yay! So cool. Put it in the water. Put it in the water. Now you hold it real tight and you pull up. So this is working his fine motor. Pull up, up, up. More. Yay! You got some water. Now look what you're gonna do with the water. Look. You wanna do this one? Put it in here. You're gonna squeeze it. Push. Push down. Push. You gotta need more water. More water. Alright, ready? Pull. Yay! Good job. Now, push. You gotta push. To take the water out, you gotta push. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? What color is that? Whoa. What's that color? Can you see it? What color is that?
Blue.
It is blue. Here, let's sit you up like this. There you go. All right, let me help. Do you need help?
Help.
Okay. Here, you hold the tube. Hold it. And then what are you gonna do? You're gonna pull. Pull. Good job. Now push. Push. You push. Look at that.
Blue.
Blue. Let's see what this is.
Let's try a different color.
Yeah, let's try a different color. Pull. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Oh, what color looking? Don't touch. You can't touch it. You can do it with this one. Whoa! It's blue again. Alright, let's get another color. Ready? Mama's gonna help pull. Let's do this color. Yeah, good job. What color is that? What's that color? Green. Good job. More. More. Up. Let's pull up. Good job. Now let's try this color. And you're gonna say down. Oh, where's this color? Where are you? Oh, let's do more. More water. Whoa! What's that color?
Red.
Red! Good job! Blue. You can do this face.
White.
Yeah, that is white because it's not all blue.
Green.
Green! Good job! Let's
White.
White.
Good boy.
Good work. You're so smart, dude.
What other colors are there?
Grab it. And
Up.
up. Let's do this one.
Go.
Down. What's that color? Let's do more. More. Up.
Up.
And down. Whoa! What's that color? Let's do some more. You want more?
Red.
You gotta dip it in the water and go up. And let's do this one. Down.
Whoa.
Surprise! What color is that? Oh, you want more? Yes, 2. 1. Up. And squeeze it. Squeeze it down. Yay! What is that color?
Orange.
It is orange. The yellow looks orange. Oh,
I think it's more orange than yellow.
it is more orange than yellow. Ready? More.
Red.
Yeah. So which one? You pick. Which one do you want? This one? Okay. So go. You gotta push. What's that color?
Good job. See, he's pulling it.
Yay. Yeah, you're doing it.
Get some more water.
It's a little harder with the water when he's trying to get water. Here you go. Say thank you. What's that color? Red.
Again.
Red. All right, let's help. Up. Can you do it up? Do you want more?
Yeah.
Please?
P.
Okay. More what? What is this? Water.
Wow.
Water. So I just ask him and do those just to keep getting him to talk. That's what these activities are for. Wow, look at that! Surprise! Henry, can you say surprise?
White.
Surprise! Good job, buddy. Yay! You want to get more water? Look at that. Wow. Here, try it again. Try it again. It only got air. Let's try it again. In. You gotta put it in and then pull. Yeah, you did it. Here, you do the rest. You know how to do this, dude. You're so good. We need more. Push down. Yay. Up.
Get some more water.
Down. Let's do more water. We gotta pull.
Boom.
Hard. Yes, do it. You can do it.
Pull strong.
Wow, strong guy. Oh, Henry's so strong. Wow.
Yeah.
That is so cool. What color is that?
Red.
It's red. Good! Good work!
We got one more.
We got one more surprise. I wonder what color it is.
You want to guess?
What color do you think it is?
I don't think it's like guessing yet.
Oh, yeah, not guessing yet. Here, ready? Pull.
Poo.
Pull. Good work. There you go. And the syringe also makes the activity last longer. Because, I mean, dropping in water would have been pretty easy.
Get some more water.
More water. Say more water.
Oh, wow.
More water. All right. Oh, we haven't had one of these. Pool. Wow. Yay. What color is that? What color is that? That is red.
Red.
Red. Here, finish doing this one.
Blue.
More. Say more, please.
The pea.
All right. There you go. Here, finish doing this one. All right. So we're gonna keep. You push down. Push down. Yay! Now let's show everyone our colors that we got. We have, what color is this?
Oh. Red.
No, that's blue.
Oh. Red. Green. Green.
Green. Orange.
Red.
Red.
Blue.
Yellow. That one does look more yellow.
Red.
And
Blue.
Yeah, you did them all.
High five.
You did them.
Bye.
All right. We're all done. You did it.
Let's
You
say
can
bye.
Say you can keep this and play outside on the grass, okay? So this is how I'm gonna take him away from the baking soda one, and he can just play with the syringe since we're outside, out in the grass until he runs out of water. So we're gonna say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Say bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Good job. Love you, Bubba. And subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Thank you. Bye.